So if you're looking to place this trade on stock, what you can do is go ahead and we'll just go back to our positions tab here in this case. Again, you don't have to be in your positions tab to place a stock trade. Pretty much wherever you see a bid or an ask price on the platform, that is a live price. And that would be the way that you go about queuing up a stock trade. So for example, here, let's buy some stock on Ford. Go ahead and search for the symbol at the top of the page. And then you'll see now Ford comes up in our active symbol box. Again, we have change for the day, current bid ask, all displayed here along the top of the page. If you're looking to buy shares of stock, you would click on the ask price. If you're looking to sell the stock short, you would click on the bid price. So depending on whether or not you're going long or short, that is going to determine what price you're clicking on. In this case, we're going to buy some shares of Ford. So we'll go ahead and click on the ask price at the top of the screen. And you'll notice now this will bring us back to the trade tab. In the upper left corner of the screen, you can see that the trade icon is highlighted in orange. This brings us back to the trade tab. You'll notice under asset type, so we're trading stock here. Right now we have single selected under asset type. This will bring up a chart of the underlying you're trading. If you're looking to take a look at the options for this underlying, you would just go ahead and click options from the asset type here. And you'll notice now the options chain will pop up. But we're placing a trade on stock, so we'll go ahead and go back to single. And then on this chart under single, you have the ability to adjust all of the different, you have all, the ability to change the different, or use the different charting features that we just covered. If you're looking to place the order on stock now, you're going to want to focus along the bottom of the screen here. You can change your order side in the bottom left corner. We're looking to go long the share, so we have buy selected, but if you wanted to sell, you just go ahead and left click on sell, and this will now line up an order for you to sell the share short. Okay, and then underneath the order side, we have the ability to adjust the quantity that you're trading. Right now, we just have one share selected. Again, you have the quantity arrows there, so you can go ahead and use those to adjust the quantity, or you can just simply, if you're looking to go with a larger quantity, you could go ahead and just type that in. Then we have our order type. Right now we have limit selected, but if you click that drop down box under order type, notice you get the ability to place some different orders. So we have limit selected, but you do have the ability to place a market order, stop market, or stop limit order if you would like. Right now we'll leave it as limit. And then in the time and force section, you should see a few different ones here. Right now we have good till cancel selected, but you will also get the option to place a day order, good till date, or an extended hours order. So now that we are in the extended hours section, we will have to actually change our time and force to EXT. So you go ahead and select EXT there. And just so you're all aware, our extended hours trading, we did increase the hours on that. That now runs from 7 a.m. Central Time to 7 p.m. Central Time. So that's our new extended hours, our new extended trading hours. Once you're satisfied with the order, we'll go ahead and adjust the limit price here. Let's go ahead and we'll leave it at the natural of 1140. The other thing I did want to point out is this little padlock that you'll see next to the limit price here. Right now, you'll notice it's unlocked. So as the price of Ford shifts, you'll notice that the price in your limit box will automatically change with that as the market moves, if this padlock is unlocked. So if you're looking to lock in a certain price on that limit price box there, you'll want to go ahead and make sure you have that limit price padlock there closed. And you'll notice now this price is locked in. This is not moving anywhere. If the market were to move, again, we are in the extended hour session, so not much movement going on. But if this was the middle of the trading day, you'd likely see that price shifting as you're trying to set up your order. So you'll want to make sure you have that padlock selected. Okay, so once you're satisfied with the prices and quantity that you have set, we'll go ahead and route the order. So we'll go ahead and hit review and send here. And then in the bottom right corner, after we've reviewed everything, you go ahead and hit the submit button. And you'll notice now in the upper left, we get that fill notification. In order to see this, this open position, we can see it in multiple different positions or different places. You can pull it up in your right sidebar panel here. Notice we have our 50 shares of Ford there. You're also able to access it again from the main positions tab. That's this briefcase icon in the upper left. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice now we have Ford there as well. But in this instance, let me show you all how easy and convenient it is just to close this position from the trade tab. So we're going to go ahead and go back to the trade tab where we just routed this order from. And from the trade tab here, this is where the right sidebar comes into play, and it's very, very useful in my opinion. I mean, you can trade stock, you can trade options, all from this trade tab here, and you can manage the positions without having to click back and forth. Again, I'm kind of just showing you all the different places you can find these filled orders, but if you wanted to, you really could just access all of this from the same tab here. So we have our positions pulled up. We see our 50 shares of Ford here. And if we go ahead and right click on those, we get the option to close the position. So we select close, and you'll notice now in the bottom left corner, we have an order line up to sell, minus 50 shares. And then we will set our limit price. We'll leave it at 1172 here, just so I can show you all how we can get filled. So we'll go ahead and hit review and send. Actually, you know what? Hang on. Oh, I have to change my time in force over to EXT. So again, time in force, if you're trading during the extended hour section, that does have to be listed as EXT. So we'll go ahead and adjust that now. Go ahead and fire this order off. And just like that, we got filled on our closing order, and we no longer have a position in Ford. You can see that in the upper right corner as well. We now have 0 shares.